Sight them a bleach them skin while enough for we a ball for melanin. Happy stay real to myself and me looking at the mirror say me genuine. Now watch the hype, the adrenaline. Straight like
So, could I talk to you in ones and twos?
No, you go Lou, man.
We don't do two around here. No two.
I forgot.
Don't go Lou.
We count from 1, 3, then 21, 20 few.
Then we go 30, then 31, then 30 other one, man. We don't
Okay. So, how about recreation? Do you fish?
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. As soon as I drop a video, you will be notified. Now in today's headlines, we have a few topics to discuss. Jamaican comedian gay games, and also that student who was severely beaten at school. Now let's get down in the stories. Now people, I'm going to run the risk of sharing a clip with you guys. I don't know if I'll be assassinated, but however, I'll feel good in myself that I did bring forth this information to you once more. Because people's brain is as good as 5 minutes ago. In today's society, if you put a normal human being brain in a bird, it flies backwards. But however, check out this clip and let's comment our 2 cents afterwards.
Okay, everybody, now, today's show revolves around one simple question. You all think you're so smart. You think you can tell a man from a woman? Can a man ever be as glamorous as a woman? We have 13 beautiful women on our show today. Only the catch is that some of them are actually men. Now, do you think you're going to be able to tell the difference? I mean, you think you know how to tell the difference between a man and a woman, don't you? Yeah. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? We're going to try to find out whether you really know or not. Because we have some beautiful women. First up, let's get started. Everybody, here's the lovely divinity, man or woman.
Maury, the best part of being a woman is knowing that the world's a stage, and I'm the leading lady.
Oh. Who is that? Man or woman? Who is that?
A man.
That's a man?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I don't know. It just looks kind of.
What? How do you know?
Because
what?
I think her face is kind of too perfect.
Chiseled? Too perfect?
Yeah.
So it has to be a man?
Yeah.
A woman can't have a perfect
It
face?
just looks like.
Oh my Lord! Huh? I can't believe all that. What do you think it is? A man or a woman?
It's a woman.
It's a woman?
It's a woman.
Why?
She just, her form. It's her form.
Okay, it's okay. Everybody, please welcome Shelby. Here's Shelby.
The best part about being a woman is that I will never have to carry my own luggage.
Man or woman?
That's a woman.
That's a woman?
Yes.
Just look at her. Do you see anything that gives it away?
It looked like an Adam apple. I don't know.
Now you don't know, do you? You're looking at Adam's apples. You're looking at foreheads. Here's the lovely Lolita. Lolita.
The best part about being a woman is that I am voluptuous and deliciously luscious.
She's a man, baby, yeah.
Think that's a man?
She's a man. Look at her.
Why? I think she walks like a woman.
I'm going to have to go with the man on that one.
So?
She's a man, baby, yeah.
Next up is Kelly. Kelly, come on out here.
The best part about being a woman? The clothes, of course, the clothes.
There you go. Tina, come on out.
Aloha, everybody. The best part about being a Hawaiian woman, Maury, is you can always get laid.
Man or woman?
I can't say a woman.
That's a woman.
Yeah. Oh.
She thinks that's a woman. By the way.
Now, people, that's the Maury Show. You have another one called the Jerry Springer Show. Now, in the early 2000s, these shows were broadcast on television, and we're feeling the aftermath of these episodes today in society. This is the reason why a lot of people are comfortable with their neighbor wearing a wig, a spike heel, lipstick, basically turning themselves into transgender. Now, as it resorts to the Jamaican community, I realize that a lot of comedians have been following the footsteps of this show. Major Hype, Prince Twani, IT and Fancy Cat, a few others. All they do is put on wigs. Tell me now, why do you have to put on a wig to be funny? What's the funniness behind a wig? I don't understand. What are you teaching kids? What are you emulating to the public? I see a Major Hype of a show on BET, and in the thumbnail you have on a wig in the middle. Why are you projecting this type of behavior and then using Jamaica to push it? That's not right. I think you guys need to come out of the closet and raise your hands and say, I am a gay, and we can categorize you. Because, people, you need to understand, you can't stop what's going to happen, but you can take away yourself from it. There are two types of human beings living in the earth today. These people are born this way. They are homosexuals. We straight people are homo sapiens. And people, to be honest, every human being that has been birthed on this land has wiped out the other race before. You can't talk to these people, you can't mess with them, but you could stay out of their way. But I like to know one when I see one. I like them to raise their hand so I could stay out of their way. I am not bashing them. I am just speaking for myself. Jamaican comedians need to stop wearing wig if they are not gays, and stop projecting these things to kids, because you are slowly bringing up the kids in your homosexuality, which we don't appreciate. Books like Gay BC. I've never seen this before. I know it's A, B, C. Now you have Gay BC as a book. They're targeting kids because they know it is easier to repair children than broken men. And what I'm basically saying, it is easier to influence a child and bring him up in the way you want than an adult who is already set in their ways. But when we look and see these adults who we believe in, such acts like Major Hype, who should be putting people in the right direction. You go on a big public platform like BT, wearing wigs. You're doing what your puppet master tell you to do. You don't always have to bow, Major Hype. Don't bow down to the chains. You understand? If he's a straight man, take off the wig. Now, man like the president was using a wig for disguise. Then again, you could have put a box over your head, brother. Why we turn to wig again? We need to cut out this wig mentality from the youths. Cut it out, and a lot of other things are going on, but I'm not try to go too deep down in it because, as I said, I don't want to be assassinated, locked up, or mute, or shadow banned on this platform, because there's one of them in every high place. So I'd rather just stay out of them way. Now, people, being masculine in 2023 now seems to be a crime. More and more I see some crazy stuff as I go out into the public daily. I went to a bathroom the other day. It says, female, all other genders. I asked the cashier, where should I go and use the bathroom? She pointed to the all other genders. I don't understand what that means. I didn't go in there. But however, when it comes to a relationship, A woman now seems to prefer to be with another woman as she has more security because men are not being men no more. Sometimes we as man must go all 2 days without beard. Make your woman smell you as a man, you know? Man and man. Stop being a female. Stop paint your nails. Stop do your hair. Stop do your eyebrows. Stop bleach your skin. Them things they are turning in a female. We are not Europeans. We are men. Men have a penis. You understand? Men have beard. Here upon them chest. Here on them arm. You understand? Now, people, I hope you don't think me just a bash people, you know. Me just a try for showing some things when I kind of sleep on, you understand, and think it just light. It has a far way to go. I just start at some things. Well, I can see women right now don't have no confidence in man because man just a sit around and try to use woman pocket. I try to do a sort of thing. You have to stand up as a man in your house. You can't even talk no more because what? The police take away the right as a man to even talk. In America, if you speak too loud, you're going to jail. People, it's a hard road for travel, but may I ask you, please, just try stay up on the right track. Try not guide the kids in the wrong direction. If you see something, you can just change it, put on parental advisory upon your television, filter the knowledge where your kids are see, because may I tell you, a wave of crazy things is coming. It's only going to get worse. It's not getting better. And what I see, a lot of people are agreeing with these people. Buju Banton stop singing song. Sizzla Kalonji stop bonfire. A lot of people are just waving the white flag. I don't understand. Why? Why are we not standing up for ourselves? Why are we not standing up for our agenda as male? Do you agree? Do you want to go over the other side? Now, people, I have a very heart-wrenching clip to share with you guys with 2 students. I don't know which school they're from, but I got the clip from a Patreon. You can definitely become a Patreon member today by going to www.patreon.com and subscribing for just $1. But people, let's check out this clip right now.
Wickedness Kaden TPC.
Yo, lock up this. Lock that.
Yo. Batman. Come now, somewhere.
Yo, ain't nothing. Go up there. Yo, God, look at this. Stop that. Nilo. I'm a Nilo. I'm a Nilo. Come on, Thursday, you are Buffy boy. Yo, to the wall, you know. Yo, go up to you, man. Yo, what you can't up here? You can't up here. Going nonsense. Okay? Use your brain. Use your brain. Where you go down? Look at him, man. Listen.
Now, people, after analyzing this clip of these students giving their fellow student mate a severe beating against the wall and instructing him to turn around with their pants below their waist opened, I wonder what was happening or what was about to happen. Was someone coming why these kids didn't follow through with what they wanted to do? Because in my eyes, these 2 young men seems like a sexual predator. In my eyes, it seems as if the kid was going to be raped. That's what I thought was going to happen. Because how could you give someone a proper kick with your pants down? That don't make any sense. I just think the course wasn't clear, so they didn't get the chance to do what they must do. And again, if you listen to the clip carefully, they mentioned homosexuality. And as I always say, a fisherman talk about a fish. You understand? So why that coming in your thoughts with even your pants down? You know, I tell the man to turn around. There's nothing more enjoyable than beating someone in them face when they mess around. When they violate, I should say. Not instructing anyone to go and do violence, but however, you know, a regular fist fight is okay. Why you going to tell the man to turn him back against the wall and pull on your pants and them thing there? Doesn't seem right. Now I hope this matter get resolved by the authorities, and I hope these students can learn. They are students, and I hope they will definitely see what they did wrong, because as I said earlier, it is easier to repair a child's brain than a broken man. But in this case, I would definitely like to sit down and discuss these kids' behavior with their parents, what got into them, why are they so angry, and why are they choosing to destroy this young man. What did he do? We need the full story from the horse's mouth. But people, I'm not going to comment on that topic too much because, as I said, they are kids. And you know, we really love the youths, but we just want them to behave better. I hope the authorities can come to some resolution.
Welcome to Mandeville. And as you know, bad man don't do nothing that has man in it. And I suggest that we turn back. But to my surprise again, bad man don't do back.
Now people, we are at the end of another brand new show, and I wish you the best of luck in your endeavors throughout the year. That shim you see circulating on the screen now and then, just be careful that you're in the tribe bar and you run into it. Just be careful, very careful. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, I won't ask you to like, subscribe, nor share, but just revisit this channel and listen keenly. I'm out.